got off the wires. When I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I feel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tracy. In case you are new here to my channel, I do invite you to subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications. I really want to take this time to thank you guys so much for being a part of my makeup journey here on YouTube. As most of you guys know, or as some of you guys may know, I did take about 1.5 to 2 years from social media and I wasn't active. Halfway through this year, I did start being a little bit more consistent with my YouTube channel and also with my Instagram. Reason I took the time off was to take care of my mental health. I'm gonna go ahead and link up a video up here to kind of clarify why I took that time off. I just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me here on my channel in the year 2018. 2018 was actually really good to me and I just can't wait to see what 2019 has in store for me and also for you guys, because you guys are all a part of my journey. I don't want to make my intro too long, so I just wanted to come on here and share with you guys this look that I created for like a New Year's Eve outing. I think that it is extremely glam and extra as fuck, excuse my language. So this tutorial, I'm just gonna go ahead and speed it up, kind of like an Instagram type of video where it's like all music and you guys just see me applying my makeup and transforming into this. Reason for that is my mic broke a couple months ago and I haven't replaced it. I'm trying to invest in a really good mic, so bear with me. And I know some of you guys are bothered by my lens. Whenever it focuses, it makes little clickering sounds. So I'm working on that as well. It's not cheap, so bear with me. Thank you guys so much for your patience and support, regardless of what my video quality or sound quality sounds like. I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this complete look. If you aren't interested in seeing how I came about it, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
It's cold for a summer night. I text you, I'm sorry, I don't mean to bother, but figured I gotta try. And you say you're busy, but I don't believe you, it's keeping me up at night. The way my emotions keep turning around, can keep it inside, no. Here we go, we go, we go, and let the roller coaster ride begin. Here we go, we go, we go. Already told you I won't let you in. Same old story of my life. You run, but I need you in my life. I've been told to take a hint, now I'm fine. Cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you. Wish I was a winner, she still wears my heart on her shoulder. Oh man, let's kill her. If she knew I had nothing left to lose and everything to prove, I just wanna be loved by you. Here we go, we go, we go, and let the roller coaster ride begin. Cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you.
En busca de un amor que no sabe lo que quiere, no. Si quieres de verdad, ven y búscame y me llevas. No te desesperes, no más. ¿Quieres tú lo que quiero yo? Tú todo me lo castras, luego yo te pido me lo castras. No te pido el cielo que no hagas, si no todo.
Okay guys, so I really hope that you guys did enjoy this look. I know it's not your typical everyday type of makeup because of the eyeliner here, but you guys know me, I try to go for a natural look and end up looking like this. Since this tutorial was a little bit speeded up, if you are interested in knowing what products I use to achieve this look, I'm gonna go ahead and put all the product information in my Instagram. So if you're not already following me on Instagram, I'm gonna go ahead and put my name right here. Thank you guys so much for being here and taking the time out of your day or night to sit down and watch my videos. I hope that you guys at least learn a thing or two. The whole purpose of me making these videos is so that I can teach you guys how you guys can achieve the same looks that I do create for you guys. I know that you guys might feel sometimes intimidated from what you guys see online, so I just like taking the time to really explain to you guys in detail every step on creating makeup looks. So if you guys have any questions, I always respond to my comments. I wish you guys a very happy new year, and if you guys have time, be sure to check out my latest videos, which are right over here, and also if you hit this little circle with my picture in it, it subscribes you to my channel in case you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.